urgent public importance. My name is Oyo, representing the good people of Shaki West. Urgent need for public health intervention and sustained disease control measures following recent Lassa fever outbreak in Shaki, Oyo State. The House notes that within the past 3 days, a tragic outbreak at a private clinic in Okesuna, Shaki, resulted in 5 fatalities, including 3 males and 32 females, and has now been confirmed as a suspected Lassa fever outbreak. The victims included an apprentice who recently returned from Iwajowa and exhibited symptoms before unknowingly spreading the infection to co-workers at the clinic and the clinic owner. Further note that in response, the State Commissioner for Health deployed the Oyo State Rapid Response Team (RRT) to Shaki. The team, comprising key health officials and partners from WHO and the Red Cross, immediately initiated an investigation and containment measures, including contact tracing, the contamination of affected facilities, and community education on Lassa fever prevention. Aware that the RRT investigation found that at least 3 of the deceased exhibited craniofacial bleeding, a symptom often associated with Lassa fever, while the clinic owner, who initially attempted self-treatment, was only hospitalized when his condition worsened. The executive arm of government, through the Ministry of Health, to continue comprehensive contact tracing and surveillance since in Shaki West, Iwajowa and Kajola local governments to monitor and potential spreads and provide timely intervention for affected individuals and high-risk contacts. B. Deploy additional resources and establish Lassa fever screening center in affected area to assist with early detection, treatment, and isolation of cases, reducing the risk of community transmission. C. Strengthen infection prevention and control (IPC) training for healthcare providers across Oyo State, ensuring early recognition of symptoms and standardized protocol for managing infection diseases with special attention to hospitals and clinics in high-risk areas. And 2, through the Ministry of Information and Orientation, to expand community outreach and public awareness campaign in collaboration with local leaders and health experts to educate residents on Lassa fever transmission, symptoms, and preventive measures to alleviate fears and promote vigilance. Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to submit.
Because there is a saying that says health is wealth. And the situation we find ourselves in, the issue of Shaki West at the moment is really alarming. It's a situation whereby we have to move as fast as possible to make sure we secure our environment wisely. While I was going through the media news at the moment, which is almost a kind of breaking news, in fact, the information being passed through the media right now is that it's gradually moving to Iwajowa and Kajola at the moment. And this house was taken through by the government to ensure that the emergency reaction is being taken to access at the moment. Mr. Speaker, I suspend the case.
Please report out to us the next